It is almost 2 years. Yede His Excellency the President John Mahama and in the NDC government ebetina Ghana kunya say omumu oman no yede oba ne show and it's getting to 2 years near. Na Ghana for no abe reti Mahama ne performance so far out of 100 oma be reti na enya semukuma o. This must be a lesson to the NDC. If they think say all things are equal, everything is smooth, bibi akos to today then omachi gu ho omun ko danwene ho ensamre because Ghana for na be reti Mahama na memoti out of 100 percentage no the omu de ever Mahama any same bi so a afoforo so no e ka e church sense the president John Mahama any NDC amamu mo hanum as mo Penyah dey see na kan wasem any day kwan so better so be me subscribe button so that o better notification on for latest update e ya no share amonu as anya bia hwe na wa kire wa adwe da mame e wo comment section ho na kan for NGX limited e na dey amount ade bi e fa prombe ho omo ye bi e wo omo aso ye ho no mo omo tunsu e ka ho akwaria so bo time be akotunsu e dey amount omo sa etusumi pu e dey ka ho ye say omo adwuma e ho tepo omo adwuma e so e omo number no e na gu ase no dumso e cost ne bo solar panel e say install power plant ufie schools, hotel, business, or pub be a debia bia o here light there and can see a doom light into no one yet. Me a solar panel man as a install power plant and farm out. A debia so farm mechanical and electrical engineering hono and UX and fan salmon or be in a canumbo air for Padmo Jones and what a pa Obega se Penyah Ekai. Let's go to the story. I was here. His Excellency the President John Mahama and NDC are buying or mobile bemuno. Almost a Ghana phone a bobby baby, say ba may way. Ana emu penyini any 24-hour economy on campaign grounds they almost share bobby for 24-hour economy
3 shifts every day. Hospitality industry, our restaurants, our discotheques, our nightclubs, our hotels 24/7 24 hours a day.
Clock be by say this is the 24-hour economy clock.
This is the 24-hour economic clock. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. 1, 3, 3.
Omuka say omu first year Mahama ebeye 24-hour economy no. Aside that, omu sa ka say the Mahama na ka say oba S Gracia obetwam. S Gracia na JJ Rollins at the bar in 1992. Or the share constitution under the Article 71 no. As a statesman obeye dwume na ukofia ye tam sika bi de ma say je oman de chew kwa je ye da was so abeso oman no Mahama gas oba obetwam.
Are they in favor of S Gracia or they agree with us that we will cancel it? We are saying 2025 when we come we will cancel Ex Gracia.
Okate teacher licensure exams oba obetwam je say Mahama share ebo bebrebe na de say oba obetwam oba mema we ayesei mema we ayesei biduye be fa ha mema we ayesei ema Ghana for we ni nyina so e go to oba no edma Mahama ne end because na bocha na wo na emo de pa na wutie Mahama bocha ne dia especially the 24-hour economy no na eye kama pa ko e can say policy ba ko enyuma bebrebe obia bedidi anwe na masankwai but it's almost 2 years near as Gracia da sutua yentwam His Excellency omo ho wakora oba ban mu no and my video ba ko isi abetire as Gracia mto unti ase a kona ko hwe obeti ade a friend as Gracia obeti ase nipa ko a yetua as Gracia edema wo no my video apusi ukọ abenya bi ahwe so me nka enko ho no mo ontwimi ntwam onka wasem kura bi e wo Ghana Parliament in fact obia mo ho wa e wo Ghana Parliament ho no mo 24-hour economy now yentin nka bi de tie e 24-hour economy market ana ye bubu amanfo japade tugo say all the name of say ye di besi market bi a eye 24-hour economy market how ema be bia market wo order akura ye buda market na ye standard market no ye bugu say besi 24-hour economy market just we say the mesi ko na entiase bia anim enye say na na ye kan ye in opposition enye boshi na share ye teacher licensure exams ni sen ko ndo betwam so a bobo yentimi twa fe kwa de ebo no fees na omutua ya tum ye can say the automatic posting ebe ma ye nuama o ma wie nursing training, any teacher training, my line or my national service area, or maximum minor afiba ache. And come transfer post to Mama Gas or bar, or the automatic post ever bar. Ebe sine ye won't recruitment the course for and colonial you yasa. They say, boss shall not share in Nadia, ye would yako. Make a oka say oba cement war a beba a fixed rate of 30 cedis. But oba is cement in team do 30 cedis. Just a boss shall Mama share in Nadia. And we say about 90% there. Ye who the could be it is unfulfilled. Ye touch a cry. What can someone for one come? I say, Ghana for be now, no person will complain quite now, Robusro. It or Casaqua is now or Catalan him so that you who the Bakura or Kaya or car dancing. Almost row.
And Yamiano Kola Kufado, and that Sikan Nicromus, near Tardier. Near Tardier 100%.
Sentence we are Tardier, and yet it's in your muscle, Patriot, and we now to Swan Granina.
Blah, and when they are Nigeria, Diana, I say, Mahama Bay, me could mature 72 million. Mr. Bishop was a baby about so Mahama Bay, the Mangubium, form. Says, blah, one Amoka, Mose, say, and Chronicle Square, Sikami, Botoma, your berry school, and Mahama, and you be a berry dollar. Necessary and necessary for you, I would do a magufi. Says, and necessary for no magu or morphine. Says, and necessary for no money.
Obiantu mi komple ko music e ba be chiwako ye be choose this year ye mistake mo ano kopa ka ke kansem bi wa da mawie ti obi kata kra osuro aduru bre bi say now no o mu kata o mani but mama so be wa ye bi oh mo ti ngaso ye ba wa ye bi at least wa chicha pad ya man kradom ko school ma ya no wa chicha wa mo fan farmers wa mo pad at least wa chicha nko kwa nketenkecha ma nipa kuo kakra bi ase skadi akoye side be de nyina a che abase mo de bi kura wu bi wa kukum bia we ni ade na ho ne ma akoso bo hye omuhye ndo ba be mo ya Ghana fans o ya now ye be reti Mahama ye reti na ye reti no this is percentage enipa ni bi e de Mahama
da bi o me say se me me see me man two say me no say na me say dia na me fa odi ka
Ibiansa what ha wo kafu so ma tesui
na fu ya sa tum say this are pay me bu say this 75
me na wunu ansa what ayi 2 cd afisu
me see no pay me driver ni me see no pay me da ku bu sai ko ade ko ya ayi dia fu and dia wo fam no 75
but President Mahama so what 2 cd afisu
2 cds no 2 cds no ye de o ka say ye de be light bay e be ma light ejira so no
mo bosia
mo bosia na no sika akufu adko boy de buy de sika de bia enya o man sika no na boy yes sika de be odi hedan
me pese me hu say 2 over 10 na wo man de no
na bi de me say me busa say manifesto no tro so de ban wo mu de he no wetima ya me 160 no se ba ye no ka say
economy na nam kwan so a wo mo ye
wa hwo ya mo ba say ne na nansa o timi no ba na na ade be chem na kwa so man fam o ba ro wetima ye Oscar o se nam kwa so a ye ba enfie mienu ni o na ni before the bedia konwa no wana ti so ye to petrol mu a Ghana ha ye problem no say ye to petrol mu a no be ni o kofa obi dwam anope kofa ba yira ba no se ba na ye 4 10 cedis a oba oba yiba kofa na ye 3 10 cedis
I see
what did make us say na no ye o mu ba ye no bi e boye se mo sha ye ntia fu a den aba fom say
so aba fom
dollar na aba fom no enkan ye o
na ka wa
esika fo no na ka wo mu Jesus say and the milo say make you say and the toilet through the 25 the enya no here for the fan 25 and the president brass the enya no crown 2 cities yatum aya diga and to be the assistant NDC buy no me hu bi pa bi say creative here because say we are president now me you nurse foka you teacher foka now what come na hwe ko no abesere ko na o say you see hospital wa ha yes school ha ejima be na woman sika odi na de be
tene wo yesa wonya
ya wonya hu
enti awoso wo bibia be creative bibi
amani patom na wo da wo no enya mfa so se tuari atimia ye dam kesia esoma enwuma mu furo mu ye no ni padodo no anya bi fa so wo bia asia wo tontosia ebo 1000 acres trata gumwa eye duma ni peye antos ni yaship ba Ghana ha that is the president Well, now by SMS school die. And I want to come in na SMS school die. Skano when the man. Two when you who ye see NDC. See a cancer or buying. Yan chira say the manifest from pan ye de kasa dia no mama. Two na me mama no. Out of 100 no. 2 kwa me mama no. Enko ye media no kure me catch no. Social ayina wontimi nya no. Emma ekoko okai amaso invest me be ko bi o. Me be ko bi.
Miss Matis yes ye twetwe bi mu de.
You twa obi ahu.
Ebi a wo de na me.
You twa obi dia fine. Ayi president Kofo Ado buy no. Free SHS no. Na ye twa bi dia jabi dia.
Okay, ye bo.
Adia na ye ka no ekoko no deserve ba me se so am na ko hu 5. Me hu bi biem. Ma fie no akwa hu san ko bi nie. Wo de wo ye sentro ni. Ko be no wakọ so san ko de ye be 100 go order. Wo hu bi da.
Me nkoko nkete me hu bi da.
Me de ma hu bi o ye red. Because hu bi wo so am. Me do na ye dia ba e ma no so mo MPP NDC for women organizer for no. Eni ayi omo aso a omo de ebi na me hu kokko ni bi. Omo nya white o, omo nya black. Omo ye kokko red ni bi. Omo na tententene. Omo de ba e kwa 200.
Enya ni offense.
Eti de me kan say President John Mahama. Ade a tu no a me de ama no ba ko ye discipline a wa hya ase a oye wrofo a na ya chiw na wo jansem fo kase wo didi mpanimfo atem no eno ye 1 ena de tosu 2 eye the way a omuhu say we ye diska ye fro eno kura no se wo diska before see mfa free ho kura map for no one ya na say wo hu say next time ye sam asem ni biem eno so ya de a me bo na baso etime me ka chen say obi bia na wo disika bia no on fe no se se diska na yenyi se se ni tum a ye mfa no tum no mo nkrofo ndisi fo no so hu say the next year almost be free so no MPP for what be this guy no almost oba this wo almost do over tum na discipline apa eti tu no e yesa na memi enu abedi ama John Mahama
na
independent victory audio out of 100 na buza Ziega eso abeg din komo be actually NDC for the say MPP is far better than NDC waiting in chiremu
sa update we say nka ibehia the 24-hour economy updates debia onmadukuntia. Let me tell you something. 1996 ye babe to aba no 96 ye babe to aba the near tie ye to so you remember that slogan?
Yeah, me kai pa
President Rawlings eka ye to so no it became the slogan for 1996 elections. Now 2000 elections, what President Kofo said in their first rally at Manchabuna, say yenhwe asetena mu ne yento aba. That became the center stage of the the elections, you know. And no na be a slogan for the elections. So even when he went to the second round, the Asieho was the slogan for the second round. In 2024, when President Kofo was seeking for a second mandate, we had a positive change. Continue, but I don't know and fly papa to say the near pesi huno. Jamaica not say in 2008 ye ba beto abano satana na nado dan kwaku fuado epese wode free senior high school eba but Atame's promise a better Ghana agenda. That better Ghana agenda overshadowed the free senior high school. Yeah, the free senior high school advertisement was all over. But I'm saying a change of government here. Then number 1, number 2 beer. The NPP did not get it right. So it made the better Ghana agenda took over the 2008 elections. But it wasn't slogan and not ding papa. 2012 is because of Senate President Mahama. President Mills Econic Rechinto. Nana Akufo-Addo reintroduced the free senior high school. But that slogan was not able to fly, papa. Nana Akufo-Addo pushed free senior high school, papa, in 2012. The BKK became the slogan for 2012 elections, which was carved by President Mahama. So me borrow MTN for slogan in the BKK. You get me? Now, attention came to the BKK because of President Mills. That are not for about 5 months. And The American what I say, people bought it. In 2016, the free senior high school came to fly. Elections are a election called 2016. It was about free senior high school. It was a change of government year. It's a change of government year. What the slogan be about a fly more. The American what I say, despite I said 2008 and fly papa, but it was a change of government year. Free senior high school. Me free senior high school. Remember that now a Kufuor that promised free senior high school from 2008, 2012, and 2016. 2020 because of the COVID. Ya share the anti slogan bia and the 2024 ya the 24-hour economy ekokotoaba. So 2024 slogan was a 24-hour economy. Bebwa. Bebia be febia 24-hour economy. Now listen to me. A Kufuor promised free senior high school. It was implemented in his first year. Today, free senior high school was so hard, but it was implemented in his first year. School bia ni see school bia ye fa teacher bia nka, but was able to implement the free senior high school in his first year. Listen, President Mahama has no option that implementing this 24-hour economy. The 24-hour economy was not only a slogan, but it was also a manifesto promise. Sir, President Mahama failed to implement the 24-hour economy as ought to be, as captured in manifesto, as he said on the platforms now. Problem, you would download a big problem for the next NDC presidential candidate. I'm telling you, you take it from me. Because the Global Info Analytics, led by their lead researcher and executive director, Abusa Dankwa, Melina Dunkomo, catch them say, Ghana election is not about personality again. It's about the party. If I'm to borrow, now you know, Obi Nkase Mahama na ntimi amameye. The candidate no band obey. They make what I say. They be said that the NDC promised the 24-hour economy. You meant to be. So if Dr. Baumia was blamed for the messed economy Kufuor in the latter part of his regime now, they make what I say. Abra ye name say Article 58, the executive power, the president, he take decisions. Article 179, the budget is for the president. He decide what goes into the budget, what time comes out. But yet we said that, but Dr. Baumia was part of the mess. Eti say failure to do that would be the danger for National Democratic Congress going into 2028 elections. Now listen. Yeti ni na yeti radio su de bia yekasa no enkonfam yati asese edukre National Democratic Congress is not fond of your friend say social intervention programs, whether they have done it before or not. Yeni ehunu bi da, but President Kufuor came, we saw cocoa mass spray, we saw free maternal care, metro mass transit, yehu health insurance, yehu was school feeding program, capitation grant, disability act. They are all your friends say social intervention programs. President Kufuor introduced here. Then Kufuor came, added the free senior high school. And over the years, you can't place NDC and tell who saw me introduce your friends say social intervention programs. So the one that President Mahama did by is the 24-hour economy. And the first year, Obe enter our university for free. And we introduce you how many people want this or moka was. It is not loud. Yente. Jamaican what I say. Yente. So another child say the free senior high school was the backbone of their campaign in 2024. What do we say? First year students there so free no abayapia. What do we say they are paid? People are going for free. Free entry. They are going. But how come that no NDC person is talking about it? Aditina, even the MP people for Crown Confirm Farmer. Let's say HSB will have people who talk about it. Because the free the 24-hour economy was the slogan and the promise that people were looking forward to see. You come in here on TV and the cash bell power. You may say, who will come in the afternoon? Then somebody comes in the night. About subsidize here for the coffee fuel and as electricity. And the IS adding about subsidize. I don't know yet share anymore. So when from raising down this market, if you ever okay, fine. Say freezing the very say 24-hour economy. No, say a cut the 24-hour economy model market. They say a kahubia and say she kahum beboa. You need the omo babe. But the bottom line is that President Mahama should implement the 24-hour economy, not the market. Opa kwesi keje market ni bi. In every district capital. If you fail to implement the three-shift system, it will be a problem. I'm telling you. If you go board if you go board the crown, you konya this country. Ama ye economy no abeye strong. Look at how people are doing to it. Just so much nyanya sam akafa go board. Obeye na bibi dia ka dia faade no ho. Jamaica no what say? Net fees 24-hour economy o promise ya wantimi anye. Me say it will be a political suicide. I'm telling you. And if they fail to implement the 24-hour economy like Akufo-Addo implemented the free senior high school, NDC will pay political price for it.
You better watch the comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.